Osteoporosis, or thinning of the bones, is something that occurs over time and can lead to fractures or broken bones. What happens is, in different parts of the body, especially the hip, wrist, and back, the center part of the bone, the cross-links of calcium start to thin out, and this thinned bone is at higher risk for developing fractures. Also, the square bones of the spine, if they start to thin, then because of just the pressure on these bones, the vertebrae will collapse, will start to shrink down. And this, in conjunction with discs, the discs between the vertebrae, this will cause, especially women, it's more common in women, cause this kind of hunched over, this stooping to occur, and this can lead to chronic long-term low back pain, and it can lead to poor posture, difficulty breathing. So it's important for women over 65 to get a DEXA scan. It's a specialized x-ray to determine if they have this osteoporosis. Some of the things that make it more likely include people who smoke, who don't get enough calcium, people who drink excessive alcohol, women who go through menopause at an early time in life, and then people who are on corticosteroid medicines for asthma or autoimmune disease, or who have had high levels of thyroid in their system. Those women are more likely to develop osteoporosis and may need one of these DEXA scans done earlier than 65. Luckily, there are some treatments for this. There's medicines that help to slow down the loss of bone. Female hormones can slow down the loss of bone, and there's even medicines that can help build the bone back up. Of course, it's very important to get adequate amounts of calcium in the diet, and there's a lot of different ways to do that. Broccoli, spinach, a half a cup of spinach has about 300 milligrams of calcium. Low-fat yogurt and dairy, salmon and sardines are really packed full of calcium. And then in order for your body to use the calcium properly, it's important to get adequate amounts of vitamin D. Many dairy products are supplemented and fortified with vitamin D. Forearm sun exposure, getting outside in nature and walking in the sunshine will actually build up your vitamin D supplies, and those vitamin D supplies can last for quite a long time. Weight-bearing exercise where you're walking and you're bearing your own weight, it helps to thicken the bones. So doing weight-bearing exercise on a regular basis in nature with some sunshine is an excellent way to help prevent osteoporosis. That's A Minute for Health.